A time for celebration is also one of concern for a Knoxville child care center. They're still working to overcome the state losing millions in federal funding last year. 10 News reporter Lauren Lovett spoke with the center's director, and she says funding for early childhood development needs to be a priority, and priority one in the state.
The Children's Center of Knoxville is celebrating 50 years.
We're excited to embark on another 50 years and just hoping that with the challenges and things that have come forth that we're still able to serve the community like we have been.
That concern stems from an estimated $44.5 million loss in federal funding last year, the result of tighter budgets from the Trump administration.
We lost some key programs in the early childhood field, one of them being TECDO. That program was very significant for our teaching staff.
Kylie Graves works for the agency that releases the annual State of the Child report. She says those funding cuts pose a significant loss for providers, families, and the state.
There is so much work, attention, and focus that needs to go into each of those children. We're also running into a challenge where our childcare workers oftentimes aren't paid the wages that they deserve because it is such a challenge of how do you raise the price when it's pricing a lot of families out of care.
Kristen Cannon, the center's director, is asking herself that question, especially after a state-funded program was also affected.
Our child care certificate program, those reimbursements were reduced. It means that somewhere we have to pick up the downfall.
So for their 50th year, Cannon says donations will be going to fund scholarships for families that need extra support.
Early childhood education is so important right now. It is the foundation. It's those years that we can't get back.